So thank you very much for having bought this course. I'm very excited because self-hypnosis and meditation are something that are very close to my heart because I've been using these techniques that you will learn for more than like 15 years, and they have helped me over the years to become better, to be happy all the time, to have everything that I want in my life. And I really want that you learn all these hidden techniques, all these secrets that have not really been shared before. And when you will truly know how to control your mind, you will be able to have almost anything in your life. Of course, you won't be able to have wings to fly in the sky, but pretty much, because you will be able to have all the happiness in the world, you will be able to have tons of money, you will be able to find love, because all these things can be accessible, because all these things can be available if you truly know how to control your mind. If you control your mind, your body will follow. All the things that you want to have in your life will kind of appear in front of your eyes, and you will be able to control and to manage all your sensations and emotions. You will feel less stressed, you will have a better mind, you will feel better sensations, you will be happy, and you will have ton of things, and truly the things that you really want to have in your life, all the things that you deserve, but you never had a chance before to have all these things. And you will be able also to cure yourself, you will be able to help other people, you will be able to have a better life in every way possible. So I'm very excited because this is my big specialty, so let's begin now.